Natural gas moves thousands of kilometers before it reaches homes, power plants, and industries. But one critical question remains: how do we keep gas flowing safely, efficiently, and under control? Many accidents, shutdowns, and losses in the oil and gas industry come from poor understanding of compressor station equipment, high-pressure valve failures, improper maintenance, and monitoring. Today, we're going to break it all down simply, clearly, and practically. Welcome to Pegis Global. A natural gas compressor station is a facility designed to increase gas pressure so it can continue flowing through pipelines over long distances. As gas travels, pressure drops, flow slows, efficiency is reduced. Compressor stations solve this problem by boosting pressure and maintaining steady flow. Educational gap solved. Many learners think compressor stations store gas. They don't. They move gas efficiently and safely. Key site equipment overview. 1. Gas compressors. Problem: pressure loss over distance, reduced delivery capacity. Solution: compressors raise gas pressure, ensure steady transmission. Types: centrifugal compressors, reciprocating compressors. 2. Prime movers drivers. Problem: compressors need reliable power. Solution: gas turbines, electric motors, internal combustion engines. 3. Valves critical component. Problem: uncontrolled gas flow, high pressure risks. Solution: isolation valves, control valves, emergency shutdown valves. Valves are the first line of defense in a compressor station. High pressure valve problems in oil and gas. Common industry problems. 1. Valve leakage, caused by wear, corrosion, poor sealing, leads to gas loss and safety hazards. 2. Overpressurization, can rupture pipelines, damages downstream equipment. 3. Improper valve selection, wrong valve type for pressure or temperature, early failure. 4. Poor maintenance culture, no routine inspection, delayed replacement. Educational issue solved. Many failures are blamed on equipment quality, but the real cause is often poor understanding and maintenance. Solutions to high-pressure valve issues. Solution 1. Correct valve selection. Pressure rating must exceed operating pressure. Consider gas composition and temperature. Solution 2. Installation best practices. Proper alignment. Torque control. No forced fittings. Solution 3. Regular inspection and testing. Leak detection. Pressure testing. Functional checks. Solution 4. Automation and control systems. Actuated valves. Remote shutdown. Real-time monitoring. Solution 5. Preventive maintenance programs. Scheduled servicing. Spare parts readiness. Solution 6. Skilled personnel and training. Even the best valve will fail in untrained hands. This is why education and awareness matter in oil and gas operations. Other critical compressor station issues and solutions. Issue 1. Equipment overheating. Solution: cooling systems, temperature monitoring. Issue 2. Vibration and mechanical stress. Solution: vibration sensors, proper foundation design. Issue 3. Gas contamination. Solution: filters, separators, scrubbers. Issue 4. Safety and emergency response. Solution: gas detection systems, emergency shutdown valves, safety training drills. Why this knowledge matters. Compressor stations are not just facilities, they are the heartbeat of gas transmission. Understanding equipment, valves, and pressure control prevents accidents, saves cost, protects lives, improves operational efficiency. This is the kind of practical oil and gas knowledge we believe in at Pegis Global. Call to action and branding. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to the Pegis Global channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss practical oil and gas insights. Follow Pegis Global on all our social media platforms for industry education, technical breakdowns, real-world oil and gas solutions. Pegis Global, empowering energy through knowledge.